This is Carl with your three things to watch for Friday, January 31st. Starting out, open interest in the market. I had a few questions about this. Open interest is taking off, and just for a very elementary primer, open interest is the number of contracts that have been set but not established or offset. So if somebody has bought corn, sold soybeans, whatever it is, for every sale there's a purchase, yes, but those are open positions that haven't been closed out. It shows the market volume and market flow more than anything, and a lot of times you can use it to gauge how much strength you've seen. Open interest going up in an appreciating market, good sign, you have buyers. If you see open interest going up when the market drops, that's fresh selling. This week we saw open interest dip a little bit on the sell-off we had early in the week, but not a significant amount. That tells us that whoever owns those positions or is holding them is very comfortable with them. And that was evident by the fact open interest spiked 30,000 contracts on Wednesday, the day after the market had collapsed. Right now, we're seeing open interest at just over 2 million contracts of corn, 875,000 contracts of soybeans, 490,000 contracts of wheat. When those contracts are offset or we see part of this washed out, it's going to put some market pressure on, more than likely. Depends who's there to take the other side. If we see heavy buying, it can easily take off. So, um, bottom line, open interest shows us that the volatility in the market is starting to pick up. The interest is starting to pick up. We have a lot of traders taking place in this market. That's giving us high liquidity and it has also given us a little bit choppier trade. As of right now, though, it's given us some pretty good signs of support. Second thing today, technical indicators. We're hitting overbought on corn, got up to that area, have seen a little bit of setback, same on soybeans. Livestock, we saw a big correction in livestock yesterday, and that was mostly from the technicals. It's starting to get a few uneasy traders in the market with all the outside happenings right now in the outside markets. So, I think we're going to see a little bit of technical pressure. The thing is, we're in tight ranges, so we have technical support sitting not that far underneath us. Big thing to watch today, the weekend tariffs that President Trump has indicated that will go in effect on Canada and Mexico at 25%. All things except crude oil. He has not decided if we're going to put a tariff on crude oil yet. Market acting a little bit negatively to this, obviously. I would hope that most of it has been factored in, but yesterday I saw something in the export sales that bothered me a little bit. We saw a third of the beef that we sold. It was good sales, but a third of it went to Mexico and a third to China. China's been a little bit of buyer beef, but not to that volume. Maybe they were starting to get prepared for these tariffs, and we might not see that red meat demand going forward. That did not help the livestock complex yesterday, and I would not be surprised if it didn't put more pressure on it today. Those are the three things to watch today.